Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Sarita Khaturia, working as Senior Assistant Professor in Modi University of Science and Technology. First of all, I want to thank Rajiv sir and Ranjit sir for giving this opportunity to present my designed MOOC course for BSc candidates. As we all know that organic chemistry is the important branch of chemistry for preparation of carbon containing compounds, and we all are familiar with enormous applications of organic compounds in pharmaceutical and petrochemical fields, in food industries, in paints, in cosmetics, and in explosive. We all know that these compounds are very much useful, and so we can say that organic chemistry is everywhere. This course, which I have designed, covers the synthesis and reactions of heterocyclic compounds, which are very much useful in synthesis of drugs and bioactive medicinal compounds. All these bioactive compounds possess antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. So this course is a one semester introduction of organic chemistry with an emphasis on PMR spectroscopy, which is the special branch of chemistry, deals with characterization and elucidation of compounds. This course also consists very important organosulfur and organometallic compounds. As we all know that organosulfur compounds, more preferably known as sulfur drugs, among which some of the drugs act as hypnotics, and others also possess biological activity. So it is very much beneficial for advanced research in organic synthesis. I have also covered organometallic compounds of lithium, magnesium, and zinc, which are very important synthetic reagents. And there is one more important thing, that after studying this course, students will be able to perform organic synthesis via enolates, which are formed by active methylene compounds such as ethyl acetoacetate, ethyl cyanoacetate, and one of the important compound is melanonitrile. Okay, so after learning this course, students will be able to characterize the novel compounds formed in organic synthesis. It is very much helpful for those who are really enthusiastic and love to play with chemicals, because I am also planning to add some hands-on experiment which are related with this course. Okay, so now these are the name of instructors. I am Dr. Sarita Khaturia. As you all know that at present I am working in Modi University of Science and Technology. I have 13 years teaching experience, and I have completed my PhD from Rajasthan University. My research area is green chemistry and heterocyclic synthesis, and I have published more than 30 research papers in organic synthesis. Okay, and one of my colleague is Dr. Mamta Chahar. At present, she is working as assistant professor in Nalanda University, Bihar. Her research interest is in supramolecular chemistry and heterocyclic chemistry. This is my Google Scholar link, and this is my course plan week-wise, in which I have listed all the topics which are going to teach students weekly. Okay, so in first week, I'm planning to teach proton magnetic resonance spectroscopy in my first lecture, in which students will deal with nuclear shielding and de-shielding. I will also include some animation with this, and they will be able to understand what is chemical shift, and after studying this chemical shift value, it is very helpful to elucidate the structure of compound. Okay, then also in my second lecture in my first week, I am planning to teach them spin splitting and knowledge of coupling constant, and there is activity based on chemical shift, which I will take in form of multiple choice questions. Similarly, In week 2, I am planning to teach them PMR spectra of simple organic molecules. For example, they will be able to understand that in ethyl bromide there are two types of protons. One is methyl and another one is methylene protons, and they will be able to analyze their spin-spin coupling. And in week 2 there is also an activity which is based on spin-spin splitting and coupling constant. Okay, and I am going to take a quiz which is based on all these studies. In week 3 they will be able to learn the problem associated with simple organic compounds, and I am going to teach them UV, IR and proton magnetic resonance spectroscopy. And there will be also an activity like a quiz which is based on coupling constant. Similarly, this is my planning of week wise activities and lectures. Now this is the video. This is all related to the video, introductory video about the course, and this is the course title which I already you are already familiar with this title, that organic synthesis and characterization of compounds. And this is the instructions of the course, instructors of the course. First one is Dr. Sarita Katuria and second is my colleague Dr. Mamta Chahar. And teaching assistant is the PhD student which is pursuing PhD under my supervision at present. It is a core subject. Okay, this is a core course, and it is for undergraduate students for their BSc degree. For performing this course, the student should be 10+2 from a recognized board and chemistry as one of the mandatory subject is the requirement of this course. And for this, industry support required is for an NMR spectrometer for looking the instrumentation or for analyzing the compounds by the help of this NMR spectrometer. The time frame is 36 hours for this course. I have decided it, and these are the weekly schedule for lecture 1, lecture 2 and lecture 3. In lecture 3 I have included only activity. So like this is the overall summary for 12 weeks, and these are the activities which I have already mentioned. This is the name of two reviewers for this course. One of my colleague Dr. Harlal Singh, which is at present working as professor in Modi University of Science and Technology, and other one is Dr. Harshita Sachdeva. She is an associate professor in Department of Chemistry, University of Rajasthan. And this is the list of reference materials and books which I needed, which student should be learn for studying this course efficiently. Thank you very much.